हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीए इन स्लाविया। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा स्लाविया का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एडवांटेज जो है इसके कार प्रेजेंस से लेके जुड़ा हुआ। तो कार प्रेजेंस की बात करें तो इसकी, अगर आप स्कोडा की स्लाविया चला रहे हैं तो स्कोडा का जो ब्रांड है वो एक उसकी अलग ही एक क्या कहते हैं ना उसको, रेस्पेक्ट है। It's having its own respect. If you are driving a Skoda, any car like Slavia or Kushaq or Kailak, it will have its own respect and honor. So if you are driving beside a Nova, suppose there is a car which is coming from somewhere and you are just sliding it through the right of it, so everyone will look at the Skoda. ऐसा क्यों है? बिकॉज स्कोडा हैज़ अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग विच नो कार कैन अचीव। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट BMW और Mercedes. These are different genre itself, but coming in this price like 17 lakh 16 lakh rupees car, the power it gives you, the respect it gives you, it's immense. You can't compare it with any other car. Like today I was driving and one car, Nova, was just coming out of my society and I was just driving past by, so the driver was looking at this car. It's not because it's actually it's very premium looking, it's very defined, it's very nice looking, so everyone looks at this car and gives you respect. If you drive another car of this amount, like a Creta or a very common cars, you won't be getting that respect. That's my honest promise to you. If you will be buying this car, you will be very happy that you bought this car. So don't go in those judgments that Skoda is having expensive parts. It's not the case now, because Skoda has opened a facility in Pune where the parts are manufactured, so the parts are not that costly now, and also parts are available all over the year, all over the places. Also the parts are having a very high quality, so if suppose you pay some premium amount for a part, it won't get damaged easily, it won't broke, it won't worn out very easily. You will be able to drive the car without any hindrance. So that's the quality of this car. Also the company has done a cost cutting somewhere. We can find it in between nooks and corners, like interior is not that plush which used to be plush. I'm not saying that it's not plush, but it used to be very plush earlier, but somewhere the quality has been downgraded a little to cut down the cost. Also the price has gone down of this car. Now it's not that heavy on the pocket. So if you're planning to buy the car, then just go ahead without everything. Thank you and have a great day.